Did you know there's a video upload setting that is costing you more views than you realize? So if you're struggling to get views, or you post your videos and week after week you're stuck at 5 views or even less, you want to make sure you watch this video till the end, because this setting might just be the reason. Hey guys, I'm Stacy, and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you guys some upload settings that you can fix to make sure that you solve your low views issue on your channel. So if that's something you're interested in, come along with me as I show you how to go about fixing this issue. So when you're uploading your video to YouTube, whether on your phone or desktop, YouTube has a couple of upload settings or options for you, which we're gonna see. So when you click on create, like you're about to upload content, you click on upload video, it's gonna bring you over here. You want to go ahead and select the file or the video that you want to upload. I'm going to use this as a sample, and we're going to go ahead and upload that. So the video is finished uploading. I'm just going to run through the settings because at this point we already know how to upload videos to YouTube, but that is not what I want to show you. So this is a setting that I want us to pay attention on. So YouTube has these settings that you can choose from to use to upload your video. Okay, now we're gonna come here, and the first one is private. So basically, when you share your video to private, only you and people you choose can watch that video. So the people that you choose to share the video with, you can do that by entering their email address. So you have to click on the share privately, and then you're going to enter the email addresses of the people that you want to invite to watch this video. You invite them and you click on this notify via email. It's going to notify them. Okay, right now we're not going to share that with anybody. So now moving on, the next setting we want to look at is unlisted. So now when you set your video to unlisted, that means that only those you share your link, that's the link to the video with, can access the video. For example, if you have a course that you want only those who have paid a fee to access, then you can set the video to unlisted. That way you share the link only to those who have paid the fee or have met the criteria that you demand. So now only they can watch that video, not like open to the public, which brings me to the next setting. Okay, the next setting is going to be public. So with this setting, everyone can watch your video. Okay, once your video is public, anyone that has access to YouTube can watch your video. And under public, we have instant premiere. So you can also set the video to instant premiere, and it says here that when you set your video as an instant premiere, you and your viewers can watch it together at the same time. What that simply means is that for premiere videos, it allows your viewers to have like a live-like experience, like live chats, reactions, just as if you were on a live stream. Now moving on, we also have this setting here that says schedule. So you can schedule your content or your video. So you have to choose a date and time that you want your video to go public. Okay, with the schedule, you also have set as premiere. So at that time, the video is gonna go public as a premiere, meaning your viewers can interact with it live. But in this case now, since you've scheduled the video as a premiere, YouTube is going to make your thumbnail visible so that your subscribers can anticipate the video topic. So they're gonna see which video is coming up on your channel, what topic, and they will be anticipating. So that is good. It builds anticipation. So now that we've looked at the 4 settings, let's move ahead. Now you might be asking yourself which setting is best for you if you want to increase your video views. The first thing I want to let you know is if you've been uploading your video to public, then you've been doing it all wrong. I know when you're done uploading, there's that excitement to go ahead and publish it public for everybody to watch. You're just excited for your video to get out there, but calm down, don't do it, okay? Because that is the wrong setting to upload your video on. Even if your deadline is close or whatever, it's better for you to skip your upload day than to do this mistake. Let's say, for example, you're supposed to upload on Saturday and by Friday your video is not ready, so you're struggling, and then you finally are able to upload it on Saturday. And because it's your upload day, you're just like, okay, let me just hurry up. Since it's Saturday, I don't want to miss upload. You just go ahead and publish this video to public. So that means people are going to have immediate access to it. That is going to kill that video. So you're better off not publishing that video than just hurrying and doing that immediately. So instead of uploading your video to public, you want to upload it to private or unlisted. So if you're going to use unlisted, like we've already explained, you want to make sure that you don't share the link with anybody, because only those who have the link to that video can watch it. But at this point, you don't want to share the link to anybody. Now let me go ahead and show you how you can practically do this. Now coming back to our tutorial, when you set your video to private or unlisted, which are the two best options that you can use when you're uploading your videos, like I've already told you. When you do that, you want to leave it on there for about 24 to 48 hours. That's to give the YouTube algorithm enough time to analyze your video and place it to the right audience, or recommend it to the right audience. Okay, that's like a good time. Don't just run and upload the video. Okay, and now moving on, we're also gonna go ahead and schedule. Okay, this is the best option actually if you want to do this. So you can also go ahead and select a date, okay, that you want to upload or schedule this video. You can choose the date, say today or tomorrow. Of course, if you're uploading today is the 3rd, okay, I don't want to upload. You don't want to upload your video and just publish it today on the 3rd, okay? You want to wait, skip 4th, and then you schedule maybe on the 5th, okay? Now that gives the YouTube algorithm enough time, like I've said. And now you come over here and then you choose your time. What time do you want this video to go live on your channel? You have to choose a time. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and choose maybe like 2 p.m. and yeah, it will be set to your time zone automatically. So yeah, basically this is it. You choose a date, time that you want your video to go public, and like I recommend, make sure that it is after 24 to 48 hours, like I've said. So we saw that today is the 3rd. When you upload today, you don't want it to go live tomorrow. It's possible maybe after 24 hours, yeah, you can do that. But I advise you give it a little bit more time, and say like 48 hours, and schedule it to go live on the feed. So that's why the advice of bulk creating comes in handy. You want to create content in bulk so that you don't have to be rushing to upload, because okay, let's say this date is your upload date and you're like, oh, I don't want my subscribers to miss out on this. You don't want to rush and then just edit the video, upload it on the same day. You're gonna be destroying that video because it's not gonna get the views that you want. So you want to give it more time, and my suggestion is 24 to 48 hours. So you can try the 2 times and see which one works, but yeah, the higher the better. If you're wondering why this particular setting is costing you views, it's because when you upload your video directly to public, you're not giving the YouTube algorithm enough time to analyze your video content, your tags, your thumbnails, title, and stuffs like that, to really analyze it and then recommend your video to the right audience. So in that case, if it doesn't have enough time, it's going to go ahead and recommend the video to the wrong audience. And if the wrong audience gets to see your content, of course, they are not interested in that topic or whatever you're sharing. They are not going to click on it and watch it. And what that tells the YouTube algorithm is that that video is not good, and then it's going to like stop pushing it out. The more wrong people it shows it to and then they don't watch it, the lesser YouTube is gonna recommend that video. And on YouTube, you want YouTube to keep recommending your video. So you want to make sure that you give the YouTube algorithm enough time to analyze your video and then be able to direct it to the right audience that are interested in those kind of content. So guys, you want to make sure that you fix this issue, because it's really gonna cost you a lot if you don't. Imagine that you keep uploading on your channel and you don't do these things that I've just taught you. You'll be saying YouTube is not recommending your video, or YouTube is like partial and stuff like that. But the issue is actually you, because you're not setting your videos up right. So you want to make sure that you do the right thing. Always upload your videos to private or unlisted. If you want to see how I use the YouTube promotion feature to get subscribers, make sure you check out this video over here. And you really want to check it out to find out if those subscribers were real or if YouTube even consider them towards monetization. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.